Hello everyone, my name is Pooja Rani and I'm a final year PhD student at University of Bern, Switzerland. Today I'm going to talk about my PhD project which is about comment quality assessment. Now before going in details about comment quality, I would like to talk about first about comments. What are the code comments? A comment is a programmer readable explanation or annotation in the source code of a program. Developers or even we write code comments to explain the rationale behind our code or to present the overview of our code. Code comments are written in natural language or in a semi-natural language. Now, studies indicate that developers find code comments as a trustworthy form of documentation. Also, that high quality code comments assist developers in program comprehension and maintenance tasks. Now, however, how to ensure if a comment is a high quality comment or not? For example, if you look here, if the content of this comment is enough or accurate or it is consistent with the code or not, or if this comment is at least consistent with other comments or not, it is not easy to say. There are many definitions of high quality code comments, but there is no one standard definition. So it brings the challenge of assessing their quality. How to assess? There are so many parameters to assess. The challenges are mainly because there is no strict syntax and style convention to write comments. The compiler does not check comments as it does check code. There is not enough tool support to check all aspects of comments. Let's say if the content is good or not, if the style is consistent or not, or if the syntax is correct or not. And this all makes quality assessment a difficult problem. It's not that the comment related problems were not investigated in past. Once the importance of the comment was known, various work started investigating comments. One of an initial important work was done by D'Souza and their team in 2005 on finding out how much documentation is enough. So, kind of an assessment of documentation. Now, based on this work, the area mainly focused on two main directions. One is how to reduce developers' effort by generating comments automatically or documentation automatically, and how to assess the documentation quality. However, not all of them focus mainly on comments or all aspects of comments which did focus on comments. Many studies assess comments in some form as a part of assessing code quality. Let's say they wanted to assess source code and comments were part of source code. So they evaluated them in some form, or they wanted to summarize code and then we had comments. So they wanted to first find out what's the quality of comment and then only investigate the other part of code. Or they wanted to evaluate the quality of whole documentation, including design documents, wikis, requirement engineering documents. And another thing is most of this work focus on one programming language, Java. So the techniques and tools approached are constrained to one programming language and not in all cases generalizable to others. Now, given the increasing use of multi-language environment, we need a deeper understanding of developer commenting practices and concerns to achieve high quality comment specification. To gain the required understanding of high quality comments, we require a multi-perspective view of the comments where we analyze comments from developers and researchers' view. This multi-perspective view can be approached by analyzing developers' commenting practices. Let's say, what are they writing in comments? And is it just specific to one language or the theme is similar in other languages also? And what are their concerns about code comments? And at the end, looking at what researchers propose to assess comments quality, what quality attributes researchers often consider to assess comments. So for first research question, we selected 20 open source projects of three programming languages, Java, Python, and Smalltalk. We extract their class comments and we classified a sample of comments into various information types. As an output, we formulated a taxonomy, and we also automated the process of identification of different information types. Now, how did we analyze comments and how did we identify what developers are writing into comments? Just to show you an example, here, the intent of the first line is summary of the window class. Next line shows how to instantiate the class. Also, the comment shows that Sami Shayo is the author of this class. And then we have some other information types. We found that developers write similar kinds of information in comments across programming languages. Though there were some specific information types in a language, for example, instance variables were more often encountered in Smalltalk and Python rather than Java. Or now to automatically identify an information types that we previously classified in the taxonomy, we observed while manually analyzing the comments that developers are following a similar kind of pattern to write a specific type of information. For example, in writing summary, developers used some similar keywords or often the same keywords. We captured these recurrent patterns using a natural language based tool, and we use these recurrent patterns as a feature set to test using various supervised machine learning algorithms against the ground truth. And in this case, the ground truth was the manually analyzed comment. From this experiment, we found that these natural language patterns or the recurrent patterns helped us in improving the accuracy to identify a specific information type. We are currently testing our classification approach using the deep learning technique. Out of these experiments, we submitted 2 articles. One got accepted in Empirical Software Engineering, and another got minor revision in Journal of Systems and Software. Once we understood what developers were writing in comments, we moved to understanding their concerns about code comments. What concerns them most? To find out the answer of this research question, we investigated several online resources where developers frequently post their concerns. For example, mailing lists, Stack Overflow, and Quora. We identified the relevant discussions and analyzed a of sample of them. Axis, we have a question type which basically tells that what kind of questions developers were asking on these platforms. And on x-axis, we have whether those questions were specific to a programming language, let's say Java, or to a specific tool to write comments, let's say the Oxygen or some specific linter, or they were related to an IDE, for example, Eclipse. So we discovered that developers often get confused about various comment conventions, such as syntax to write examples in comments, or how they can add image in comments, what syntax they should use. So from this, we learned that developers seek commenting conventions to write high quality comments, but they often find it hard to locate them, that where they should look, whether they should look at a coding style guideline, but not all time they found the information there, or some project specific guideline. Now, as an implication of this work, it would be interesting to know, okay, developers look for comment conventions, but when they found, do they follow these comment conventions in writing comments or not actually? In this work, we developed one tool named Makar. that basically helped us in conducting the multi-source study. Now, the next important aspect is to know how researchers look at these comment quality assessment problems. What do they propose? What techniques they propose to assess comments, and what attributes they often consider. For this, we reviewed proceedings of 195 software engineering conferences and journals from 2010 to 2020. We reviewed more than 3,000 papers and got 47 relevant papers. As an output, we got 23 quality attributes which were considered for comments and the matrix to calculate them. So here is a summary of all the quality attributes that were investigated for comments over the years. Now here we observe that some of the attributes got frequently investigated while some attributes got rarely investigated. For example, consistency, completeness, readability, accuracy were often investigated, while other attributes such as conciseness, coherence of comments, availability of comments were rarely investigated. So we learned that researchers are focusing often on a handful of quality attributes in assessing comment quality, but ignoring many others, even though numerous studies suggest the benefits of those rarely investigated quality attribute. Now, we submitted these results to a software engineering venue. As a summary, we investigated comments from three main perspectives: what developers are writing into comments, what commenting practices do they have, what are their concerns about comments, and then how researchers support developers in assessing comments quality. We selected various sources and we investigated samples of discussion or comments, and then accordingly we proposed various approaches. The ultimate goal of automatically assessing comments is still far away. However, we know that what steps needs to be taken to achieve this goal. Now, for example, we need to know that which quality attributes developers find important and in what kind of scenario they find that particular quality attribute important. For example, in what cases they would like to know if their comment is concise or not. And at the end, to have a support of the tool in IDE where developers can easily integrate and use the tool to assess their comments automatically. So as the main takeaway of the whole project is that developers seek and follow comment convention, and having support to assess various aspects of comments can help maintaining high quality comments. Thank you very much.